Pilot drilling for screws in a replacement door jamb prevents splits and ensures a snug, secure fit. Start by selecting a drill bit that is slightly narrower than the solid shaft of the screw, not including the threads, for example. For a screw with a solid core diameter of 3/16 of an inch, choose a bit close to 5/32. Mark each screw location with a pencil and then use an awl or nail to make a shallow starter dimple so the bit does not wander. When drilling, keep the drill perfectly perpendicular to the jamb face to avoid angled holes, which can distort the screw path and pull the jamb off square. For deeper screws, consider stopping short of full depth, then finishing with a countersink so the screw head sits flush without crushing the wood fibers. Space pilot holes evenly along the length of the jamb and avoid placing two holes too close together, which concentrates stress and invites splitting. Finally, drive screws slowly at first to feel the wood engagement, then increase speed while keeping steady pressure so the threads cut cleanly without overheating or stripping the hole. Common mistakes start with using a bit that is the same size as the screw threads, which prevents the threads from cutting and causes excessive torque and splitting. Fix this by measuring the screw shaft and choosing a smaller bit. Another frequent error is angling the drill, which results in misaligned screws and a jamb that is pulled out of square. Correct this by using a square or a small block as a guide and sighting the drill from two angles before powering it. A third issue is overdriving the screw so the head sinks and crushes the wood fibers, making a weak joint. Prevent that by countersinking to a consistent depth and driving the screw slowly at the end, or using a cordless drill with clutch set to a low setting. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners locate trusted local contractors for door jamb work and other projects. Our site also helps contractors find work and includes an active discussion community where we and other members exchange practical tips and troubleshooting experience.